Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. So today video guys, I want to share to you how I make my own version of chicken spring roll. Well, back in my country, we call it as a lumpiang Shanghai, while here in Oman, you call it as a spring roll. And seriously guys, you had so much of version of it and I haven't yet tried everything. I mean all of those. Maybe one day I'm gonna try when everything backs to normal. And a little background about me guys, just in case you want to know, I learned cooking. I love cooking and I actually had this dream that one day I'll make my own restaurant and I'll gonna name it as a KhelogzKitchen. And let's go to the ingredients guys. I have here a chicken mince. I already add up a ground pepper with salt. I have egg, onion, green bell pepper, carrots, and we're gonna put all together in one bowl and we're gonna mix it up. Just continue watching. And now we have to put them all together, the egg and the chicken together with the vegetables. So that's how it goes. And add some olive oil. Yeah, I like that. And after putting all together, all the ingredients in one bowl, you have to mix it well guys. That's how it works. Back in our country, this is the most favorite handa. We call it handa. It's really special in our country. Lumpiang Shanghai. I love it. And here it is. Isolated. Just like that. And here you go guys. This is how it looks like after the first step of our cooking. Then if you notice this is garlic. That is garlic. I intentionally did not add that in the first step of our cooking because I want the natural taste of it. And then we will have to add one more egg and we're gonna put them all again together. We're gonna mix it up before the wrapping. So that's how it goes. That's my own ingredients, my own way. So put them all together. Before wrapping, we have to mix it well. You see that wrapper? It's a square, not circle. And this is how I trick wrapping. See? So, near to finish. Ready to fry. Here you go. And this is the final product now guys. You'll see those little garnishing that I made. That is what I learned during college. Thank you for watching guys. If you have any ideas, suggestion or requests, you can comment down below in my comment section. And if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like these, please don't forget to subscribe. Click the subscribe button and click the bell button for more notification. Thank you so much. I love you guys. See you soon.